Halfway between Palermo and Messina, on the North Sicilian coast, is the ancient little town of Cefalu. Despite its small size, it's one of the most visited places in Sicily. Over history, it's been home for the Greeks, the Arabs, and the Romans. Let's go see what Cefalu is all about. Just a 1-hour convenient train or bus ride from Palermo or Messina, and you'll be there. Your feedback keeps us motivated to improve our content. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. We're two retirees hooked on travel. Follow us on our journeys around the world. The majority of the people are visiting Cefalu in the summer, mostly Italian and European tourists. And of course, this is when everything is open and the town is hopping. Okay, this place is a complete hidden gem. Hidden gem. It's mid-November. People are in the water, swimming, they're laying on the beach. It's warm, it's like 75 degrees. I mean, it's really nice. Lots of cute boutique shops and restaurants right on the water's edge. Water is crystal clear too. Okay, we just arrived in Cefalu and we got an acute apartment right in the center of the old town. The second floor on the right is our apartment. Below is a restaurant where we'll have breakfast. There's gelato, and then we have the old town. We're gonna do some exploring. Looks really cute. It's charming. It's a cute, charming little town. Okay, talk about narrow stairs. Oh, that's amazing. Here's how you can get up to this temple that's up on the top of that rock, if you're so inclined to climb it. Tempo di Diana. Cefalu real estate. Let's get an idea how much they go for. There's a Villa Campesina. Okay, has a pool. It's 352 square meters, very large. 650,000 euros, and it's beautiful. You can get a lot here. This is a nice one, 375,000, 160 meters. And wow, they're nice.
I want something rustic like this.
A rustic one, there's 220,000 euros for 172 square meters.
I saw that.
Anyway, you can get a nice place here. It'd be a nice vacation rental. That's a really nice one. And this one right here on the water, look at that view. Wow, 216 square meters, and it's expensive, 995,000 euros. I love how they put the pots along the stairs. It's kind of arty. It's cute. I like how they did these stairs with the pots. Very cute. And then here's the square, the Duomo. The cathedral is over 1,000 years old. It was built by the Normans. It's the tallest building in town. In front of it is the main square. In November, it's just us and a few locals. It's a great time to take fantastic photos of this beautiful place. Unfortunately, we're not able to go inside, but maybe next time. You have to have repelling equipment to do construction here. They're working on this balcony, but that's something else. So we just walked down the hill and it kind of opened up where you can come down and see the sea. If you ask me, the best time to visit Cefalu is late spring or the fall. Well, it is a really nice time of year to travel, and I would imagine that a lot of these places, they just close up for the winter. That's right on the water. You sit out there. Well, this afternoon we had a nice warm breeze, very light, and the seas were calm. Now this evening, the seas have picked up and it's a little bit cooler wind coming from a different direction. Beautiful skies though, and I think a storm is moving in. After the afternoon siesta, all the stores kind of open up about 5:30, and that's the time to come out and shop and enjoy the evening. Lots of artistic type shops here. You know, of course, before electricity and people always have to do their laundry, this fresh water, beautiful clear water, comes down from the mountains, and they set this up so people can do their laundry here. The fresh water comes right through here, and then it cycles through here, and then you can get down here and you can, you know, scrub your laundry and then rinse it and everything, and you can take it over here, and then there's rinsing pools. This takes you right down to the beach, and it's incredibly beautiful. I mean, I can only imagine in the summertime, the streets are probably completely packed. You can't even walk through here, but right now, it's so cute and peaceful. Oh, this is the Duomo, which is the main square of the Cefalu town. And that's the cathedral. There's really not much going on here. You can get an ice cream, a coffee, and maybe a pastry. We spent 2 weeks traveling around Sicily. So if you're planning to visit this beautiful island, check out our other videos.